Hi, this is Ross from Tech Epoxy Floors, Port Richey, Florida. Today we are in Heritage Hills, a new development in Dade City. So this is a two-car garage. We're going to have to remove this cap, get down to concrete, have some cleanup to do. The edges are not horrific shape, but definitely could use a little help. And we'll clean up this apron as a courtesy, get it back down to concrete so it looks nice with the floor as well. So there's going to be a little bit of work on the edge. We are going to fill the expansion joints. And the reason why we fill the expansion joints, we sand and fill them so that we get a nice looking seamless surface. So we're going to detail in around the hot water heater. We'll clean up these edges on the floor. We're going to clean up the edges. And now when we get over to this corner, we're going to have to go up the wall a little bit, and the homeowner is probably going to want to repaint regardless, but he's going to have to touch that up with paint. So we're all set up. It's a beautiful day out today. So let's get started. Okay, just a quick segment to show the lead-in edge. Rounded over, straightened out, all cleaned up. So this is definitely the most important part of your garage floor, is because this is where your tires are going to hit and then come over this edge. So this edge has to be just right, because if you do have a failure, that is where it's going to be. So as you can see, excuse me, we're all set up for our pour. This garage does not have baseboards. And we have our expansion joints filled, and that's going to give us that seamless surface. And we're all set up for our pour. Laura's taping off the edges right now, and we're good to go right when that's done. Okay, here we are. We're all done with our two-car, full chip with baseboards. This is a two-car garage, full grinding, full chip, polyaspartic top coat. And you can see how seamless that surface is with the expansion joints sanded and filled. It's a much nicer appearance.
So this goes up here.
This color is Orbit.
Blocking yellow things. Go next to the vacuum where that red bucket is. Red bucket.
We cleaned all the construction material off the apron, and we straightened out, rounded over, and repaired the lead-in edge. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Tech Epoxy Floors, Port Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.